Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. So today I am going to show you guys how to make DALGONA coffee. This is the famous TikTok coffee, whipped coffee that everyone's talking about. So today I'm showing you guys how to make it. It's really easy to make, so let's jump right in and let me show you guys how it's done. This recipe is really easy. We'll be only using 3 ingredients: instant coffee, sugar, with some warm water. That is all you need. And we'll need our hand, of course, to add some air to it to make it nice and whipped. All right, of course I'm using the instant coffee right there. So we're going to mix all of the 3 ingredients in this mixing bowl. Now once you have all the ingredients in the bowl, all you have to do is use your hand mixer and mix it. At first I am using level 1 on the hand mixer. Once everything started to well incorporated, I use level 2 or 3. Now you can use your hand, you don't really have to use a hand mixer. It'll take about 3 to 5 minutes for it to start whipping. All right. And as you guys can see, the color started to change, and also it started to look really like a whipped coffee. And once you are done, this is your final result. I'm adding a few ice cubes in a cup. Then you're going to add some milk to it. And we're going to add the whipped coffee. And boom, you make the famous TikTok whipped coffee. All right, which is the DALGONA coffee. This is it. Hope you enjoy it. It was nice and quick and very refreshing. Hopefully you enjoy it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me. Also, if you're new here, take the time to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss out on more delicious recipes, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.